Hello and welcome to the Sacred Gates Ascension podcast. My name is Illura and today's podcast video is on messiness and cleaning up your mess as a practitioner, your internal mess. All of us have an unfocused mind at times, and if you've been paying attention to your level of focus, have you noticed that the more dull your focus is, the more unfocused your focus is, the more dull your ability is, and the less ability you seem to have when you're unfocused. So for example, while you're meditating, if your focus is dull, if it is not sharp, if it is unfocused like the lens of a camera, so too will your practice, your experience of your meditation practice, the communication that is your meditation, be dull and not be sharp and focused like a clear picture of a camera like you're seeing now. And we all know the difference between that kind of just unfocused, dull, messy, what I call messy kind of experience during our practice, and the difference between that when it's nice and sharp, focused, soft, not sharp as in hard, but sharp as in clear. Yeah, so there's a lot of clarity, there's focus, there's precision, accuracy, and there's like clean lines or a cleanliness to the practice. And so, you could practice every time with your goal to be clear, clean, precise, and accurate, or you can choose not to really have it as a goal and just kind of willy-nilly, depending on how you feel. And this time I was practicing, I was really focused. This time yesterday I wasn't really focused. It's up to you. But what happens if you're practicing on other people, if you're doing healings on other people, and you are choosing to cultivate a practice where you accept messiness, and you accept that level, you expect that from yourself, and that's okay, then you are going to be doing healings on people where that is also going to be part of their healing experience, and you will be offering and offering your healings like that. If, on the other hand, you raise your bar, you raise your expectations, whether it's just as a practitioner and you're not doing anything with anybody else, or it's also that you're doing healings on other people, and things like that, restorations or massages, Reiki, whatever it is you're into, and you in your own practice, your solo journey as a practitioner, you raise the bar and you always aim for clean lines, clean connection, focused, accurate as much as you can, and that's your goal, then you're going to be bringing also that into your healings and your time spent with other people, working with them, for their journey. You'll be bringing that level of cleanliness and focus in through you and that's just really how it goes. What you put into your solo training comes out inevitably. It has to in your practice with other people. And so it's just a matter of making a choice about whether you want to clean up your practice and have that as a goal, and so that you can raise your own bar of what you want to be able to experience, what you want to be able to be capable of for yourself and maybe for other people, helping them as well. And as you do this, if you make this your choice, you're going to get a lot of free energy coming to you. You're going to get a lot of spiritual help from your higher bodies and from other beings, positive light deities and other positive beings. And you're also going to find that your ability gets really good, because your skill level has to go up when you have that accuracy, just as when your skill level goes down when you're okay with being unfocused and just like can't be bothered. We've all been there. But if you do commit to cleaning up your mess and really getting clear and nice lines, it's a great feeling. It feels really good. Your structural integrity as a healer, as a self-healer, and potentially if you're into healing with others, it really takes on a whole new level. And your art gives so much more to you because you're willing to clean up and be a channel, a much clearer channel. Ultimately, it's you as that hollow bone for your art to come through, for your meditation practice. and the principles of your practice to come through, and you're then able to really deliver and kind of be a really open source for the art that you have committed to. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Bye bye for now.